welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video I have an exciting TKB haul. I went a little crazy and I picked up a whole bunch of stuff because for those of you that know, I do have a small business called Glamorized by Char. I'll link the description in the goodie box down below. The website is glamourizedbychar.com. I sell lashes, lip gloss, glitter, pigments, nail decals, a whole bunch of other stuff. So check it out down below. I have something that I want to work on. So I ordered a whole bunch of stuff from TKB that I'm going to share with you. The first thing I got are these empty pans. So along with the pans, which are 44 millimeters, about the size of a MAC blush, it comes with these two things here that will help you press your pigments. And of course, this device as well. Then I got these two. This is a black pigment, which I'll use for my lip glosses, like if I want to make a lip gloss darker, or if I want to be adventurous and create a black lip gloss. Now this here is the My Mix pressing medium, and you want to use this if you're gonna make any sort of like a pressed eyeshadow or a highlighter or a blush. You do need a binder. But here's the fun stuff. All of these are pigments. So this first one is the pink blush, and it's a sample. It's a beautiful like baby pink. And I'm gonna warn you ahead of time, I'm not the greatest at describing colors and shades and things like that, so you're just gonna have to bear with me. I'll try my best. Maybe I'm gonna turn my light down just a little bit so you can see the true color. It's beautiful. This one is called Dusty Rose. And it's a beautiful, how can I describe it? Like it is like a nice dusty, pinky, goldy, like I can't even explain it, but it's really, really pretty. This one is called Cinnamon Sugar. It's a beautiful gold. It's absolutely pretty. That'll be a good highlighter. This one is called Artisan Coral, and it's kind of similar to the Dusty Rose. This one is called Cotton Candy. Oh my god, it's absolutely beautiful. It's like a nice coral color. This one is called My Mix Jenna. So these two are kind of similar, but one is peachier, more coral than the other. Then I got this brown oxide pigment, just a nice chocolate brown. This one is Red 40 Alum Lake, and it's like a nice red. And what I like about their site too, it does tell you if it's good for the eyes or the lips. So if you're using one of these for lip gloss, make sure that it's lip safe. And of course, if for eyes, make sure it's safe on the eyes. This one is called Sparkle Rose. It's a beautiful, like, kind of rosy goldy color. Like it's really, really pretty. This is Apricot Mica. It's so pretty. It's a beautiful gold. That's everything to my haul. I cannot wait to dabble in them. Like I'm so excited to play with them and create something lovely for y'all. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you enjoyed this haul, it was really quick, but if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. Thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!